So this is the plane in which we are going to fly today. And we're gonna see what it's gonna be like from up there.
Today we are the 23rd of May.
Yeah.
We are going to the airport.
It will help me to cross the border. Estamos yendo al aeropuerto de aeródromo de Talat. Nos vamos a volar.
This is the airfield of Talat, which is situated 2 hours from Aix-en-Provence.
Yes.
Itself from 1 hour of Marseille. It is well known in Europe because it is the center for gliding and for parachuting activity. There are a lot of parachutes today. These are Pilatus PC-6 aircraft that bring the parachutes up high. There are not that many gliders because of coronavirus, but normally this airfield is full of German planes.
Surimani nos va a llevar a volar en un avión. Cosas de la vida, sorpresas del viaje. Hoy cambiamos la bicicleta por el avión. La primera vez que vuelo en un avión y os lo quiero contar con todo detalle. Cómo funciona un avión pequeño, cómo se vuela con esto y cómo se siente volando con esto. La verdad es que tiene una pinta que flipáis. Buah, increíble. Menudo día hace.
This is the plane in which we are going to fly today. It's a two-seater aircraft, light aircraft, European light aircraft. It has a 100 horsepower engine. It weighs 525 kilos at full weight capacity. And it can fly for around 5 hours, 30 minutes. It's a specialized aircraft in the whole market because it can take off and land very, very short. It can take off at 60 kilometers per hour and uses 10 meters to take off. That's because it has very, very big wings. These extremely large wings help it to create lots of lift immediately and start flying. It's like a butterfly. It's a very, very easy aircraft to pilot, and you have an extraordinary view. It's also very safe because it has a anti-crash cabin that they use like in rally race cars. This is what we're gonna fly in today, and we're gonna see what it's gonna be like from up there. And we've got enough oil that the oil is warm. That's good. Securely attached to that bolt. That bolt, this bolt does not move. The 4 bolts are here. The landing gear is okay. There are no leaks. The brake lines are okay. The tires okay. The door closes and opens normally. Open it up that fast so that you can. Some people have done that before. They're like, you know, you're going to put this on. So this is an aviation headset. You have 2 sides to adjust the volume, and this is the microphone. It needs to touch your lips.
Okay.
It needs to touch your lips in order to listen to something. An airplane flies very safely. All it needs is some speed. As long as it has some speed, it flies. Sometimes there are going to be bumps in the air, but that's normal because it's like water in a pot that you're boiling. At the center, it's going to boil faster. At the middle, at the ends, it's not going to boil faster.
It's not.
So a plane is like if you cross that pot. First, you're going to not move a lot, then you move into the center where it's going to go up, and that's why we feel the sudden rise. Completely normal. The plane is able to get much more force. So now we're going to start the engine. Then I'm going to continue the briefing and tell you what's going to go on afterwards.
stuck on you. You pull me in, you pull me in, you pull me in. I'm stuck on you, not letting go. I'm stuck on you. We'll make it through, we'll make it through, we'll make it through. I'm stuck on you, we'll make it through. And though you take me high to the unknown, and though you make me fly like never before, I'm stuck on you, not letting go. I'm stuck on you. You pull me through, you pull me through, you pull me through. I'm stuck on you. You pull me through. I'm stuck on you. Can't let you go. Can't let you go. Can't let you go. I'm stuck on you. Can't let you go. And though you take me high to the unknown, and though you make me fly like never before, I'm stuck on you, not letting go. And though you take me high to the unknown, and though you make me fly like never before, I'm stuck on you, not letting go. I'm stuck on you. You pull me in, you pull me in, you pull me in. I'm stuck on you, not letting go.
Buah, menuda experiencia volar. Mi primera vez volando en una avioneta. Y encima en los Alpes. Buah. Necesito digerir esto, pero telita lo que ha pasado hoy. Madre mía, qué experiencias de la vida viajando en bicicleta. Ya estamos de vuelta a la bicicleta, a la realidad. Hemos terminado de soñar. Seguimos nuestro camino a tope. Es tardísimo. Ya es la hora de comer. Y nos queda hoy como 1400 metros de desnivel y 60 kilómetros hasta el siguiente destino. Nos vamos a Barcelonet. Uf, qué cansancio hoy. Uf, mucha pereza. Me quedan aún 20 kilómetros para Barcelonete y estoy muy cansado. Pero venga, ánimo, últimas 2 horitas de viaje. Pues mañana toca subir todo eso. Col de l'Arche. Nos vamos hacia el Col de l'Arche. Aquí estamos haciendo trampa en los Alpes para subir una montaña. ¿Qué pasa, chavales? Estoy aquí en los Alpes viendo la puesta del sol. Fijaros, Dios, qué preciosidad. Buah. Brutal, brutal. Buenos días, chavales. Pues aquí estamos en los Alpes. Un día lluvioso, el tiempo ha cambiado radicalmente. No esperaba que hoy lloviese y de momento pues hoy no puedo salir a conquistar el Col de Large, que es la última etapa en Francia para adentrarnos en Italia. Y de momento pues aquí estamos. Ayer tuve mucha suerte de que un chico me acogiera aquí en la montaña con unas vistas increíbles que hay en esta zona, que anoche cayó una lluvia impresionante por aquí, cosa que no contaba con ello, pues porque el móvil, la meteorología no decía eso, decía justo lo contrario, que iba a hacer muy bueno hoy. Así que no sé por qué, pero de momento en este viaje tengo una flor en el culo en cuanto a suerte. And that's crazy.
Yes.
Crazy things. The
Yes.
people is just getting crazy.
Yeah.
So
There is
Pass
like this.
everywhere.
No, but there is like this guy who is like, "Don't get